Guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my planner kit haul from my February kits. I know it's been a hot minute since I've posted a video, but I kind of accidentally took Christmas off. I had a plan with me that I filmed and it was filmed with the wrong landscape versus portrait on my iPad, and instead of trying to figure out something else, I just decided to scrap the whole video. It's just what happened, and I didn't want to deal with having to try to turn the footage, so I just decided to take a break, spend some time with my family, and I now have a planner kit haul for you. So of course, the things that I get most excited for are the freebies, and this freebies are no exception. So you always get the Planner Kate name label and the Planner Kate business card. And then here are the 5 freebies that I got. I got the colored double dots. I've been kind of loving the double dots lately. I don't know why. I don't know. It's just something that I have tried to been incorporating into my happy planner spreads. So, and then I got the PK colors skinny or scallop labels. And then of course I got my favorite, the pencils. I love using the pencils to mark for daycare and stuff like that. And I also got a sampler of the the skinny appointment labels. And then I got the set of check boxes. And this one, it's got the watermark of the house, the car, the phone, and then this one is blank. So I am super pumped about all of those stickers. And then, so I purchased 3 kits plus some other kits or some other sheets. So I'm going to go through the kits first. So the first kit that I'm going to show you is mini kit 211, and this is called Pink Love. And I love, so this is pretty much just pink and black. Again, and then this is kind of more of a neutral tan color. But I'm in love with this kit, the pink and the black. I love the coffee cup artwork. It's adorable. So I got the sampler sheet, and then this is the full box, half box sheet, and I am seriously just in love with these full boxes. They are adorable. Look at this one. That looks like notepaper. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this kit. So that's the first one that I got. The second one that I purchased is mini kit 210, and this is called Oh So Pretty. And of course I got the sampler sheet, and again, loving the pink and the black. I love the darker shade. This is more of again, lipstick shade of pink, the dark pink. And then we've got the light pink, and then we've got the black, and I love how these go together. And I love the washi, oh my gosh, it's just adorable. Love it. So I got the sampler sheet, and then I also got the full box half box sheet, and I love how she threw in the florals with the pops of more art deco inspired full boxes, and then with the makeup also. And the stripes. I love that. And so that's mini kit 210, Oh So Pretty. And then the final kit that I got was kit 209, and this is called Just Dance. And this one is more of a softer kit, I would say. It's got the black and the purple and the pink, and the full boxes are what sealed the deal for me for this kit. But it's more of a springy kit, I would say. So this is the sampler sheet, and then I also got the full box sheet, and I love the toe shoes, or the point shoes. And then I also love this swan. And of course then the florals just are beautiful as well, but these two boxes are what sealed the deal for me, 100%. And so that is kit 209, Just Dance. And then I decided to do something different for my monthly spread for February. I'm going to be using some of my Simply Gilded washi, and I realized that this Simply Gilded washi is definitely a stronger color. It's still pink, but it's more of like a fuchsia-y purpley pink, and I don't know really if any of Kate's stickers will match, which is not a big deal. And so I decided to do that washi and like a neutral sticker palette. I do have a few black and gray stickers that are in my extras binder, so I'm going to be pulling from that. But then I decided to also get I needed another sticker sheet for the $35 free shipping. And so I just decided to get a sheet of appointment labels. So this is black, like a medium gray, a lighter gray, and then the lightest gray. And I figured that I will use these, a lot, so I might as well purchase these. Not a big deal. So this is sheet S751. And then the last sheet that I got was the holiday sheet. And I hope Kate comes out with these holidays in the new updated fonts. And I probably will buy or at least another font in the new update, or another sheet in the new updated fonts if she releases them. But I decided to get this sheet to start off New Year's Day. So I do like this font, don't get me wrong. It's kind of like a bouncy sort of font. It's what her Planner Kate is written on for her logo. But yeah, I hope to get, I think it's font 3. I don't know, the one that looks like the Ray Dunn inspired font. That would be like the perfect size to put in my monthly view. And so I'm hoping that she comes out with something like that. So that is the end of my February Planner Kate kits. I'm kind of paring it down, kind of going a little bit more simplistic in 2020. Just kind of changing things up a little bit. I mean, I'm moving into a happy planner officially, and it'll be interesting to kind of pare down and use some of the leftovers that I have. Some of the Happy Planner sticker books that I've purchased over the years, because I get obsessed with something that has beautiful artwork, and then I buy it and then I never use it. So that is my goal, is to use up most of what I already have. So I'm going to try to do that in 2020. But thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I try to post videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, and I hope to continue doing that in 2020. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.